Hey look, investing in the Forex market is always going to be risky. But that doesn't mean that you should take on additional risks for no reason, and no broker should need to commit. There's a total Forex fiasco going on right now, and if you're into trading, you really need to know about it. Recently, WikiFX received a whole plethora of complaints from users of this broker, TF Global. So get this. This so-called TF Global is claiming to be a legit Forex broker, but really they're more of a disaster. So WikiFX, we did some serious digging and we found out that these peeps, they ain't got no regulatory license. They're like ghosts in the Forex world. However, TF Global be like, oh, we're based in the US, trust us guys. But they're not even on the NFA's guest list. Oh no! That's a huge red flag. And the CFTCs, well, they're like, nah, you ain't fooling anyone. So WikiFX went Sherlock Holmes on them, and we tried to snoop around on the website. But guess what? The site's gone, poof, gone like that. It's like pulling a magic trick, but you're done. Therefore, it's hard for us to conduct really further investigations, and things do get sketchier. These snakes, they actually put their website domain, tfglobalfx.com, up for sale. They're ready to dip and leave you all hanging. TF Global is playing a dangerous game with your moolah. Don't be fooled by their smooth talk and flashy promises. They're a bunch of tricksters, out to make a quick buck and leave you in the dust. So check out WikiFX for the real 411 on brokers before you even think of diving into them. Protect yourselves and your money. Share this video with your crew and sound the alarms. Don't let TF Global mess with your financial flow. Stay away from TF Global, stay woke, and stay safe out there, traders.